Hey, Mark Harbert here, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the targeting capabilities of Facebook ads and why I absolutely love them. So, stick around. All right, so here I am. I'm right here in the ad manager. Now, I didn't show you exactly how to get here, but when you set up a Facebook ad, one of the things that you do is you go in and you set up the type of ad that you want, and you're going to reach this point when you're in your ad setup, and it's called audience. And this is where you are going to define exactly who you want to see your ad. And what I absolutely love about targeting on Facebook is that it's so specific. And I'm going to show you some of those things that you can do to really specifically target the people that you want in your Facebook ad. So I'm not going to get deep into custom audiences, but custom audiences is one way to target people who have actually visited your website. And in this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but there are some really cool things that you can do with Facebook ads where you can actually target people who have visited your website or have visited your website, but not certain pages. You can set all different kinds of parameters with custom audiences, and we'll do a future video on that. But one of the things that I love right here is when you get into the audience, you can do right here where it says search locations, okay? Now, what I love about this is that once you click in here, anywhere in the world that you want to specifically target, you can. Now, here's what I love. I could target the United States if I wanted to, okay? And or the United Kingdom or whatever it is whatever country I want, I can target. So in the entire United States, anybody who's in the United States based on my specific criteria, I can target. Here's what's really cool. Let's say I only want to target people in the state of Michigan. Okay, I can choose Michigan. So anybody that lives in the state of Michigan, I can target them. Here's what's really cool. I used to live and grew up in a town called Clarkston, Michigan, small town. Let's say you have a business and you really want to target people locally and you live in Clarkston. Okay, you can put in Clarkston and look what it's going to do. It's going to pull up all these different places with Clarkston. There we go, Clarkston, Michigan. And look what it does. I can target people within this specific parameters. Now look at this. Now I have Clarkston, Michigan, and I can target within this radius, kilometers, but right there, if I want to bring it all the way down, so within 17 kilometers of Clarkston, Michigan, I can target right within this vicinity. So if you're a local brick and mortar business, or you have something locally, you have a business that you're promoting, and you want to find people right around you, this is a great way to do it. So you can get right down to the very city that you live in. And this is really where the power of Facebook ads is. And quite frankly, it's one of the most untapped resources of Facebook ads is local marketing. And so no matter what you're doing, if you're building an affiliate marketing business, or you're in a network marketing business, and you want to build locally, you can do it and target people specifically with those ads, okay? Now here's what's really, really, really cool and really exciting. Now, age group. Now, I just recently came across an ad, and in the ad, I was scrolling on my newsfeed, and the ad said, for those that are 47 years old. And it caught my eye, and I said, well, I'm 47. And it caught my eye because it was calling out me, my age. So what happens is, you can see here that there's an age group that Facebook lists. So you can choose your age of 18 to 65 plus. But here's what's really cool. Let's say I want to target 47-year-olds. I can go here to 47. And then the age range, well, I only want to target 47-year-olds. So boom, if I want to target only 47-year-old people, I can do that. That's the beauty of Facebook ads. You can get super specific. And one pro tip for you when you're putting an ad together, you want to call out the people in your ad. So, hey, 47-year-olds, or hey, if you're 47, then you need to do this. And that will get people's attention because you're specifically calling out something that applies to them. And of course, you can choose which gender, men or women, and then any detailed targeting demographics. So, you know, this is where you can choose specific interests that Facebook has categorized. So inside of here, you can type in anything. Let's say that you are marketing a health and wellness product. So within the range of Clarkston, Michigan, okay, a 17-kilometer parameter, okay, you're targeting 47-year-olds, all genders, and you want to promote organic, or you want to find people who are interested in organic food. Okay, let's see what Facebook pulls up. Sometimes it can take a few minutes, or we'll just go back to organic here. And look at all these things it pulls up. Organic farmer, food, compound product, farming, chemistry, cotton. I mean, all kinds of things. So if you wanted to, let's say you're promoting, and you're in a network marketing company and you're promoting organic coffee. There are coffee companies out there that promote products. Check this out. You could promote to organic coffee in Clarkston and be very, very tight audience, okay? So you can see this is less than 1,000 people within this parameter. So you could get very specific about it. Now, if you wanted to open that up a little bit, you could always change your parameters here and go a little bit wider. And let's see if that changes things. Still fairly small. We could go into an 80 kilometer, still a little bit small. I'm just giving you an example here, but this is how detailed that you can get in regards to how you target. Now let's just say organic living. See if that comes up. Okay, that doesn't come up. Let's go organic and just go organic food. Okay, now here's we see our potential reach is 10,000 people within this parameter. Okay, and then what we can also do, let's say we want to exclude people that are in a certain, like, we want people who are interested in organic food, but not this. And you can find those different types of demographics and things within this, and you can exclude those people from this audience. So you can get super targeted. So that is basically all I wanted to show you in this video is the targeting capabilities. You can get right down to your local area and you can take it really anywhere. Say if you're going to open a specific part of your business, like maybe you live in one part of the country and you want to open it up in another, you could target pretty much any zip code that you want. So for instance, we have here Clarkston, but if I wanted to put in a zip code, like here's mine specifically, I live in Tipp City, Ohio. Look at that. I can target people right within Tipp City, Ohio, within that zip code. So you can use zip codes to target as well. Super powerful. One of the coolest things about Facebook ads. So if you're not using Facebook ads, I highly suggest you do. If you like this tip and you want more tips like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you visit markharbert.com. Go over there, grab my free PDF, and make sure that you stay tuned in. I have many more tips like this coming. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.